Hey, I'm back with another FAQ of my adrenal and cortisol support formula. I don't know if you can see that there. Yeah, this product has been greatly upgraded, and I want to explain what's in this product because it is awesome. Okay, so let me go through the ingredients. So number one, it has natural vitamin C from acerola extract, which supports healthy adrenal function. The adrenals need vitamin C to function. Then I added a natural form of thiamine called thiamine pyrophosphate chloride, which is very hard to find in any supplements, but I wanted it in this supplement because I wanted to put a natural vitamin B1 to help with stress. One of the biggest release people will feel with nervous tension or stress or anxiety is through B1, and I wanted to add it to this product. I also added B3, B6, which are both coenzymes in a lot of different pathways involving stress. I also added B5, which directly support healthy adrenal function. I added magnesium, which is a wonderful mineral for feeling calm and helping you sleep, and also for energy. And I added zinc because zinc is involved in just hundreds of biochemical reactions, especially with stress. The more stress that you experience, the more zinc you deplete from the body. And then I added selenium, another powerful trace mineral, and manganese and copper, which is also part of the vitamin C complex, and it helps to balance out zinc. But the real power in the supplement comes from the proprietary blend. Rhodiola, which is a natural adaptogen, which will help increase your tolerance to stress, freeze-dried ashwagandha. So now we have all the phytonutrients, the powerful stress-reducing phytonutrients, which are preserved from the process of freeze-drying them. When you have herbs with added heat, it destroys the enzymes to a certain degree. But with this version, nothing is destroyed. I also added Maca root, which is unbelievable for stress, and Bacopa extract, and another herb called Schisandra, and Panax ginseng, as well as citrus bioflavonoids from lemon. So the combination of these herbs with these other nutrients, vitamins, and minerals are a very powerful support for someone going through stress, whether it be mental stress or physical stress. So go ahead and give it a shot, and I think you're going to be quite impressed at the results.